The High Court's decision, it does establish the law, but it also opens a floodgate of questions as to where we go from here. How far will states go banning abortions, and how far will they go to block women from getting the procedure elsewhere? And could this pave the way for the Supreme Court's review of contraception choices in same-sex marriage? President Biden, he offered the sentiment of millions today with a tidbit of hope.
This is a sad day for the country, in my view. But it doesn't mean the fight's over.
The fight over abortion rights has been years in the making, but a swift decision by the conservative wing of the Supreme Court took away a woman's legal right to abort a pregnancy.
This decision! Illegitimate! This decision! Illegitimate!
The protests will continue, but I asked the constitutional scholar about the next direction of the battle.
The fight is over in the Supreme Court of the United States. It now shifts to the state legislatures around the country, and particularly in purple states where it's not clear that abortion is either entirely off the table and now criminal or on the table and very much available.
States that ban abortion could make it a criminal act for anyone who submits to one. President Biden made it clear that they can't stop women from going elsewhere.
If a woman lives in a state that restricts abortion, the Supreme Court's decision does not prevent her from traveling from her home state to the state that allows it.
But the constitutional scholar fears anti-abortion legislators could find punitive measures to block it.
So legally speaking, President Biden is absolutely correct. But it's also the case that numerous states have already indicated that they are going to try and test the waters and to prevent their citizens from going to states where abortion is available.
Along with his concurring vote, Justice Clarence Thomas would like the court to now reconsider other controversial measures.
He says that the court should revisit not only the privacy rights embodied in Roe v. Wade, but the privacy rights embodied in cases involving contraception, same-sex consensual activity, and same-sex marriage.
Now, President Biden, he's now calling on Congress to take action to restore protections of Roe v. Wade as federal law. Within minutes of the Supreme Court decision, Missouri became the very first state to invoke the trigger law banning abortions except in cases of medical emergencies. Some 24 other states are now expected to join the ban. New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut are among the states where abortions are still allowed. In the newsroom, I'm Marvin Scott. Tamsin, Corey.